Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this lecture series on SIP guidance, I am going to tell you easy and quickest way to complete your summer internship project. This lecture series on SIP guidance is useful to the master student, those who are working on their internship project. This lecture series is also useful to the undergraduate students who have to write their internship project as a part of their graduation degree. This internship project is the final stage of your master degree and your graduate degree, and it provides you a great opportunity to show your skill and knowledge in order to organize and conduct your research project. The duration of summer internship project is 8 weeks, and if you compare this duration with your other core subject and elective subject, then it is the highest duration offered by the university. Summer internship project carry 6 credit point, and again if you compare this credit point with other subjects credit point, then SIP carries highest credit point as compared to other subjects credit point. Now the practical question is, why do universities assign highest duration, that is time and the credit point, to the summer internship project? Why SIP is so important for your future career? Your summer internship project is the first step towards your final placement. Many students get the pre-placement offer during their summer internship project. Summer internship project provide the real life experience and exposure. Summer internship project is an attempt to bridge the gap between the academics and the corporate world. Summer internship project provides the opportunity to learn more about yourself. You can get connected and develop your professional network in the summer internship project. Generally, in many universities, at the end of the second semester, each student shall undertake a summer internship project, that is SIP, for minimum of 8 weeks. The SIP may or may not have the functional focus. The student may take up SIP in his or her intended area of the specialization or in any other functional area of the management. SIP can be carried out in an corporate entity, NGOs, in SME, in corporate undertaking, or in cooperative sector. SIP may be a research project based on primary data and the secondary data, or may be an operational assignment. Each student shall maintain a SIP progress diary for detailing the work carried out on daily basis. Students should follow instruction and guidance of company guide and the faculty guide. The student shall submit a written structure SIP report based on work done during this period. The student shall submit the SIP progress diary along with the SIP report. In this lecture series, we are going to understand structure and component of your summer internship project. Structure and the component of the summer internship project may vary from one organization to another organization. Structure of summer internship project may vary from one university to another university. Therefore, it is very important. First, you need to find out what are the requirements of your institute, of your university, and follow it very carefully. This lecture series will help you to select the topic for your internship project. This lecture series will definitely help you to frame an effective title for your internship project. And the most important part of this lecture series will provide you easy and quickest way to complete your summer internship project. Generally, summer internship project should include the section like title page, abstract, content, list of the table, list of the graph, list of the abbreviation, topic selection and title, introduction, review of literature, research methodology, data analysis and interpretation, findings, conclusion and suggestion, and bibliography. In this lecture series, we are going to discuss on each topic. I will assure you that after this lecture series, you will be the well-versed with all the minute aspect and structure of your summer internship project. I am sure this lecture series will help you to gain the perfection on the summer internship project. With this note, I would like to end this video. I would be making a lot of videos related with your summer internship project. So stay tuned to this channel and do not forget to subscribe it. Wish you a happy learning. Thank you.